This video shows how to buy shares of Senestech Inc., specifically how to buy shares of Senestech Inc. using the ticker SNES. Senestech is a technology firm focused on industrial sensing and monitoring, listed on NASDAQ as SNES. This guide is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and you will need to add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SNES to find Senestech Inc. Select the listing that indicates NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart for SNES to confirm the listing. Check that the business description matches Senestech and that the ticker displays as SNES. Click Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can confirm the trade. Once the trade is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.